Imagine your family member this.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Listen up, see? Rastafari.
Yeah, greetings, family and friends. Yeah, but the funeral gun-goers were left in disgust after a casket turnover at a Jamaican funeral. Imagine. Yo, family and friends, I'll read out this article because video footage of a disturbing situation. The incident was captured on someone filming the casket, ladies and gentlemen, showing a white casket being lowered via a bunch of rope. However, the casket passed open hole on the ground and tipped over to one side, upending the dead, and the man preparing the hole to cover the casket had to break off the situation to go down to scoop up the dead man. Scouts of disbelief and shock had come from the result of the incident when people could hardly explain what's going on. Wow, this is a sign how them feel Lego the man. Lord Jesus, in the ground, it was revealed by the people taking the load that the rope has broken and gone down. Now for the people, they must say, rotted. The man never ready to bury. A Rasta man was seen entering the hole trying to retrieve the body. Imagine. However, it was soon realized that he needed help. To get the dead man back into the casket, someone said, you alone can't do it. Hold on. One of the funeral ongoers next stated that they thought the incident was a big disrespect, while another pointed out that, hey, it's an accident. It's unclear where, when in Jamaica, this incident took place, but the video clip was uploaded to Instagram where the comments were stated opinions are being flowed around and around what happened. And the attendants at the funeral, Alicia said, would I just cover him up in a hole just like that, you know? And the tip-top J.A. revealed the clothes me wear to that the funeral wouldn't enter back in my yard. Imagine, look on the video. If this happened to your people, what would you do? Tell me in the comment, have you ever seen an incident like this, people?
Wow, this is a sign. All right?
No, that's here after no. I'm going to tear off.
What's your Rasta about
That's too much.
Man, have a rope with a thumb between his feet. How you mean rope bus? No rope, no bus. Let it go. Let's go, man. Rope, no bus, man. Somebody else. Oh, God, that's a disrespect. God, one can't reach you. Hold on. Need somebody use on me. No, we don't put the bed where you raise up your hand. Oh, and I biggest disrespect this time never.
No disrespect, man. No disrespect. Just that, man. You're going to kind of purple. No disrespect, man. Relax.
People make me know what go on. Because that the grave they all look like see a song. 1950.
Wow. This is a sign. All right?
You understand, people? You don't see that look how idiot thing you are dealing with. Look how concrete cheap. Look how black cheap. And you want to come put me down in a dirt grave. Me not see that thing and no more people. Dirt grave. Me not even know say it's legal to do that thing in a yard. If you put down man in a dirt grave alone. And if you buy 2 blocks and put down the man, that's why the man flip out and go on like that. You don't take people for fall. And the Rasta like him don't know the dead supposed to bury the dead. Rasta lives. He dopey drop out of the casket and the Rasta down in the grave and try pick up the dopey by himself. It nah go work, Ras. It nah go work. He look shook. Look like him did a drink few white. But look upon this. The boy them have one rope. Not even four. Look there. The dopey just flip over that and say, you take man for fool. You put me down in a dark grave in a 2024. Not even too black, you know, catch. Imagine, and on my community that. People, leave your comment. Make me know if you have an incident where you see them bringing in a dopey and the dopey refuse to go. The casket flame over. Then can't pick up the casket. Whatever. Make me know what a guan pa, what a guan. If you would jump down in the casket, down in the sepulchre or down in the grave, and try if it look like the man pick up it up by him foot and I try move it up here for a casket fling over. Who no help out the Ras? Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Imagine, ungo if I'm my father or my mother. Me not inna it. Me not inna it. Jamaican dopey never ready. So the casket in flip. The dopey drop out inna the mirated. The dopey drop out in the grave. And listen, this Rasta man ya real brave. The man jumped down in the grave, grabbed the dopey by his foot, and I try move it by himself. Imagine, would you do that? Would you do that? Jamaica, we don't know. Onlookers at a gravesite got a sight because the casket turned over and the dopey jump out of the casket and the Rasta man jump down in the grave. Him real brave. And I try move the dopey by himself. You think a lie? See it there. See the man hold the dopey by his foot and I move it after the dopey flim over. That cannot be sanitized, sanitary or nothing. But how uno put down man in a grave in a 2024 with no block? What is that? Uno never sprinkle the white rum. So the dopey say, it's not my time. Uno have to go deal with it again. The dopey flippy casket. Look how they fold them, tie the rope. 2 rope on side, not even 4 if you balance it. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment on this one. Make me know if you ever see the dopey flippy casket before. Or the dopey refuse to go in the hole. See it there? Jamaica, we don't know where. Funeral, we don't know where. Because I care my community. Uno could buy 100 black and put in a that. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. I'm reporting somewhere in Jamaica, by a gravesite somewhere in Jamaica. The dopey never ready to go in a grave somewhere in Jamaica. Leave your comment on this one. More life and more job.
Deep Roots TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Yeah. Cool on Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pops?
Cool on.
Fire,